Meet Sam. Sam works hard. Every month, he gets on this wheel, runs until he's exhausted. Meet Sam.
And finally gets his reward, the paycheck. But here is the crazy part. By the end of the month, that hard-earned money is completely gone. But here is
Sam has to get right back on the wheel. Are you stuck on the exact same loop? And Sam,
Let's figure out why you are still broke and exactly how to break the cycle. Most people think the solution to their financial problems is simply making more money. Most people Sam gets a raise. He feels rich. So what does he do? He upgrades his phone. He buys a new car and gets a larger TV. He upgrades his whole life.
This is awesome!
This is called lifestyle inflation. As your income goes up, your expenses rise right along with it. Every single extra dollar is consumed. The gap between what you earn and what you spend stays exactly the same, 0. To escape the hamster wheel, we have to completely change the formula. The broke method is income minus expenses equals savings. You pay everyone else first, the landlord, the stores, the banks.
and try to save whatever is left over. Spoiler alert, there is never anything left.
Now look at the wealthy method. The formula here is flipped. Income minus savings equals expenses. As soon as money hits your account, take 10 to 20% and lock it away. You pay yourself first. If you only have 80% left to spend, your brain automatically adjusts your lifestyle to fit. It's not about how much you make, but how you prioritize your wealth. So, what is your action plan for today? It's super simple. So, tomorrow, open your bank statement and look at where your money went last month. Find 3 things you are paying for that you haven't actually used in 30 days. Cancel them immediately. That's instant extra cash back in your pocket. Set up an automatic transfer to move that exact money straight into savings the day you get paid. Congratulations! You just took your first real step off the hamster wheel. But wait, saving money in a basic bank account won't make you rich. Inflation will slowly eat it away. But wait, you need your money to go to work and build your personal money machine. Click the video on screen right now to watch episode 2 and hit subscribe so you never miss an episode. See you there! How do you make your money work while you sleep? We cover the exact blueprint in episode 2.